In today's tutorial training, how you can create a drop-down menu using HTML and CSS. So this is how you do it. You first add your HTML codes. So we'll first create an app class, then you just can name it as drop-down. You can just name it as drop-down. Sorry for that. Then this is okay. In between there, you can just create a button. You can just create a button class, then you just name it as you can just name languages and just name it as languages. Then you can just create another dev class, then just name it as drop down content. Drop down content, then you can just cluster. Then your content now that will be contained in your drop down content now, you can just write. Let's say you can just write the first one is, you can have it as Python. You can have it as Python. Then you just copy paste now. You can just type it as soon as JavaScript. You can just type this one as Java. You can have the other one as C++. You can have the one as Kotlin. Then you just go to your browser here. You can just go to your browser there and just refresh and see what it appears. So this is how it appears. This is how it appears. This is your button now. When you click this one, it should display all this. Then let's add our CSS code. Our CSS code now just used to add the styles to your buttons and all their content there. You can add the colors, you can add the background colors, you can add the text colors, the positions, then you can add the font size, you can add shadow, you can add paddings, then you can add something like borders, something like that. So just go to your in between your editors, then you can just add style. You can add the style tag, then you can just start writing, then you can just write drop button, and then you just try to style it. Just go to your browser and refresh and see how it appears. Just go to your browser and see how it appears. This is your button now. This is your button now. How it appears. It has a background color of white smoke, and just change the color. Now it's making it look bad. Just change this color to, let's say, blue. Just change it to blue. Okay, let's continue and write drop down content. Drop down content, you can just write in display. You can just write in display. You can just write inline block. Then just go to your browser and refresh and see how it appears. You see now it appears the background color brown. You can have the color blue. That's all. Then let's go and continue, and it's in your style. You can just continue and just write. Just write drop down, then you can just write position. You can just write relative. So drop down content active, this is just used for link. This is just used for link, the link that are on your drop down content. So you can just have the color that it will be red. You can have it as, or we just have it as, you can have it as black. You can have it as black. You can have, but then you can just have it as px, px. Then you will just have block. Just go to your browser here, then you just refresh. Now. So this is now what it appears. This is how it appears. This is how it appears now. In drop down menu, just this one. See now. So you have languages, you have Python, you have this one, So that's how. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Thank you.